Okay guys, now while those rocks are melting, let's have a quick word about today's sponsor, which is Raid Shadow Legends, the hottest game in the Play Store. With almost a perfect score and well over 400 champions for you to collect, and there are some new champions for you to showcase that I've been using myself. Now the first one is Astralon, because he looks like he's wearing some of the items that I've casted in my previous videos. Also his skills let him land attacks while ignoring an enemy's protection buffs, and his passive skills slowly refill, allowing him to do extra attacks. Now the second one is Cesia. She looks like she's the goddess of lava and can actually hit the whole enemy team with epic attacks. What's better is her attacks get stronger when an enemy champion is on fire, making her pretty much unstoppable like lava. I'll be using these guys to fight and enjoy my free time. And this month Raid released 11 new champions and almost 200 new missions to complete with an exclusive legendary champion as your reward if you complete them all. And they have added 5 new really hard levels to almost every single dungeon. Now click the link in the description below and support my channel by downloading Raid today. Okay guys, now let's go back to the melting furnace and check those lava rocks.